Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing a stable emulator and the Pubg APK. This gets you the environment to use keyboard and mouse. Once done, enable virtualization and assign at least 2 CPU cores plus 2 GB of RAM. This prevents lag during play. Next, add the keyboard-mouse mapping plugin inside the emulator. This bridges your devices to the game. Make sure the emulator and game versions match. Mismatches often cause input conflicts, so update both before moving on. Now you map controls. Open the emulator's key mapping editor and load or create a Pubg template. Assign WASD to movement, mouse left-click to fire, right-click to aim, space to jump, C to crouch, and Z to prone. Also set keys for inventory and peeking. Once bindings are set, jump into the training range to calibrate mouse sensitivity and ADS sensitivity. This adjusts how your aim reacts when you scope in. If aiming feels twitchy, lower sensitivity slightly and retest until it feels finished by optimizing performance. Set graphics to balanced and enable a high frame rate. Aim for 60 frames per second if your PC can handle it. Make sure the mouse is locked to the emulator window and disable any competing raw input drivers to avoid double inputs. Save your key mapping profile so you can reload it later. If you run into problems, like missing clicks or lag, reinstall the mapping plugin, restart the emulator, and verify your USB or Bluetooth drivers. This usually fixes most connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.